So back on pricing again, and this topic is about a unique floor plan or a unique home. So I've actually sold a round house before. Can I extrapolate or use as a comparable property a bunch of square houses if I have a square or have a round house, and is it apples to apples? And the answer is no, it's going to be different. So as you're pricing, really look at, is there something unique about this home? Is it a weird floor plan? Is it different than my comps? And then we have to adjust for those things. Sometimes it can be style. Sometimes it can be, the look from the street. Sometimes it can be the size of the rooms and just the layout and the flow. And other times it can be the neighbors and what's next door. So when you're pricing, really look at that and say, will this affect the value of this home? One last thought is a driveway. I've had steep driveways, and I've found that it takes 10 to 20% off the value of the home if it's hard to get into the home or the garage, or it's hard to get out of a vehicle when you're parked in the driveway. So all of that affects the value and pricing, and so just be aware of that. I'll be back next week with more pricing information, and I hope this helps. Paul Wheeler, Servant Heart Selling. Let's put the service back in selling.